What's up guys, I am back and you can see that I have uploaded the Python videos. So guys, in today's video I am going to not upload the Python video. Today we are going to see the Git. Yes guys, if you search in the Google for the Git and then in the GitHub, then for the GitLab, the Git, the GitHub and the GitLab are the different things. The Git is, it is a software. And let me tell you that it is one of the slang languages in Britain, and the GitHub is where you can post all your projects. The GitLab is also like that, the GitHub, but there is some kind of user interface difference. So guys, I have also a GitHub account, and that is given in the banner image link. Like here you can see this is my GitHub profile, and you can check all my projects. So how do I upload my videos? So guys, in this video of the GitHub, let me go to my videos, and then I have told you that how to push your code in GitHub without the commands. But guys, in today's video I am going to show you that how to install Git in your computer and how you can just pass the Git commands. And let me tell you that when you just type that in the terminal, I have customized the terminal. Isn't it looking good? Just comment in the below. When I type Git, it says that the Git is not recognized as the name of cmd-let and etc etc. In the command prompt, when you just type Git, it is giving Git as not recognized as an internal or external command. So to solve this, we are going to just go to the website and then search for here as Git download. And then when you search for Git download, then you will go to the gitsrcm.com/downloads. And guys, let me show you that in my control panel, okay, in my control panel there is no Git. I have installed it for you, and here I'm going to click on the download for Windows, means download the Git, and then you can see that it is downloading in my downloads folder. Let me just see. Okay, in the download, I'm going to just cancel this. No, okay, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, let it download. And you can see that the git-bit1.exe means just make a new file. If you doesn't get it here, then you can open your downloads folder where the file is saved, and then you can just click on there and then press enter, or you can just simply double click on it. Then it will ask you for the permission, then click on yes. Okay, and then it is for the setup time. Just click on next, and then I'm going to give the Git in the E drive, okay, because my C drive is getting full. And I'm going to click on additional icons on Git, and this is the new one, add a git bash profile to the Windows terminal. As in the Windows terminal, if I click on here, then you can see that there is no git bash. So if I just check on this one, then you will find here a git bash. Okay, so I'm going to just click on it and check for daily updates. Okay, so all of them are checked, and click on next and then click on next. Okay, so if you use Vim, that is completely fine, and if you use Notepad C or the Notepad++, then it's completely fine. I use the Visual Studio Code, so I'm going to do that. Use Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor. Click on next and let all the click on next. Okay, until the setup file is coming on, means this one is coming on, the setup one. Okay. And guys, you can see that my desktop background is looking cool. I am going to give all the desktop background image in the drive link. You can just check it out. And guys, it's coming on. And let me show you that in this file explorer, you can see if I go to my E drive, where is my E drive, and then in the program files, you can see that there are a folder called Git. And if I just go to the advanced edit system environment variables, and then if I go there and click on environment variables, then you can see that in the path, in the edit, there is somewhere Git. Okay, you will just find it, or there is nothing problem. Okay, and then I'm going to just cut this, and you can see that the Git has successfully launched. I'm going to launch the Git bash. Okay, the Git bash looks like this, and I have uninstalled the Git, that's why it's coming on again. And these are also coming on because I have just unpinned that. So guys, you can see that when we just open our terminal now, let me just restart my terminal. Okay, and then if I just type git, then you can see that there is no error coming. So now the next step is to how to push your GitHub code in this. For that, you can see that recently in my project in the repositories, there I have created the programming templates, where there are the programming templates, the programming languages which I still know. There is a list out of here, and I have give the templates up there. Now I am going to make here a repository. Before that, let me just open a new one here, and then I am going to search for GitHub. Okay, then in the GitHub I am going to click on the github.com, then click on sign up, because I am showing you that how to create a new account. Let's begin with enter your email. I am going to do that as the Friday dot AI dot virtual, which is my another email at the gmail.com. I'm going to give a password. Okay, you can give it as your own. Okay, why it's not coming, I don't know. I'm going to password in a list of password commonly used for other websites. Okay, password is strong. Enter a username. I'm going to make it as test. Okay, the test name is not available. _get में alphanumeric characters, test kit minus test kit YouTube. Okay, test kit YouTube is available. This is our username, and then I'm going to type yes, and then start the puzzle. Pick a spiral gallery. Okay, one done. Then this one is again the spiral gallery, and then create an account. It's taking whether there is a robot, but okay, then the friday.ai.virtual@gmail.com has came on. So I'm going to open my Gmail here. Okay, I'm going to just cut this one, and I'm going to just search for here as the Gmail. In the Gmail, I'm going to log in with the GitHub account, means which I have just recently created. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, friday.ai.virtual. Okay, and then I'm going to give the password here, which will just completely log in. And guys, I'm going to just click on confirm. Okay, it's okay, there is the Gmail, and then I don't know why it's coming on. Okay, there might be a verification code. I'm going to just refresh this one. Okay, this is my Jarvis OTP. Enter the code, recent code. Okay, friday.ai.virtual. What is my Gmail? friday.ai.virtual. Now, if I just came on here, nothing is coming on. If there are nothing in the spams or other things, then why it's coming on? I'm going to copy the Gmail, then send, and then in send I'm going to just compose a mail to Windows V, and then this one. Okay, hi, and then I'm going to write anything. Just click on send to friday.ai.virtual. How is that doing on? AI virtual is the name, and I can't understand. The logo are the same. Okay, show. Okay, no address found. I'm going to just change the mail address. Okay, update your mail address. And okay, so we have created our GitHub account because there is nothing mail or something. Now we have joined the GitHub. So there are no repositories and nothing. Just keep it there. Where I'm going to not edit the GitHub account, and you can see that the username is coming on test GitHub, test Git YouTube. Now what we're going to do, this is the plus icon, then click on the new repository, And okay, we need to verify our mail. Change your email settings. Add email address. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open my Gmail, and then in my Gmail I'm going to just sign out. Okay, I'm going to just add another account, and then I'm going to just create an account, okay, for myself. Then get, and then here test YouTube, and here get, okay, get test YouTube. Okay, password, the username is not allowed. Okay, I'm going to just make it as a test YouTube git. Okay, test YouTube underscore git or dot git. Okay, I'm going to just make this one YouTube. This username is not allowed. Test, okay, underscore git. Is it allowed? Nothing. Test git. Okay, I'm going to just make it as git test YouTube GT. Okay, that's completely fine. Git, and then YouTube, git YouTube dot learning Techie. Okay, I don't like these ones, like YouTube dot learning Techie. Let me take it. This username is not allowed. Okay, learning Techie @gmail.com. Okay, learning Techie, and then I'm going to just enter the number. Here is it, and it's came on. Now let me just give a password of it, and then I'm going to just give the password of it. Okay, then click on next. Let me just give a phone number. Okay, the phone number has been used many times. Okay, so what may I do now? Okay, so without wasting time, let me just show you that in this profile, when you just go there, then when you just click on the plus icon, then the new repository page will open, and instead of this one, you will just find here as when I'm just okay, let me just open my main window, and when I just click on the sign up, and if I give my user credentials, okay, why it's coming on, I don't know. Okay, and then AD, okay, I have kept the password wrong, it's signing. And as I shown you that when you just click on the new repositories, and then this page will come after the user verified will come, because in the mail the code will come, and then the repository name will come. Okay, means this page will come, then you give the repository name as anything. I'm going to name it as the YouTube underscore, okay, dash git learn. Now what I'm going to do in the description, this is the tutorial of the git from Learning Techie YouTube channel. Okay, then make it as a public, then don't check all of these, then create on the repository, means the create repository button, then these will come. Okay, so before that, when the git is not installed, if you just run the command, that will just show the error. But if you just run this time now, then just copy this one, and okay, let me ask first, make a folder as the git underscore push underscore YouTube. Okay, so guys, you can make the folder as any name. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open this folder with the VS Code. Okay, you will get this option when if the VS Code is open. Once the VS Code editor is, you have to see my VS Code video. Now I'm going to just make a Python file. Okay, not Python file. I'm going to just make a C++ file as the main.cpp. Now here, when it's coming on because it's loading the configurations. Okay, and make sure that you have installed the cpp, but you can also make it as the HTML, JavaScript, whatever language you just need any kind of file like the txt file, whatever you do. I like coding, that's why I made a file. Now I'm going to do the C++ code as hash include, okay, then the IO stream, okay, don't worry, IOSTREM. Okay, hash include iStream using namespace std. Okay, std int main, and then the curly braces, and there is our code goes. Now cout hello from learning Techie. Okay, I'm going to just make it as the youtube.com/learning. Now if I run this file, okay, my code is wrong, I have to just keep the semicolon. If I just run this code, you can see that the code will run successfully. Okay, the code has run successfully. Now we are going to push this one. What I'm going to do, just click on just in the right click, and you will get a opening Windows terminal. You may not get it. For that, to get it, it's a very good terminal as I showed in the first one. Just go to the store, okay, the Microsoft Store, and then in the store you just let it open. Let me just at first maximize it. Okay, this one also. And in the store, what you have to do, you have to just search for the terminal, and then when you just search for the terminal, you will get all of these things. Like if I search for terminal, you can see that the exact same logo here and here is coming. You have to just click on there and then click on install, and then it will successfully open. So guys, in this, what we are going to do, we are going to just initialize the git. For that, what you need to do, git init. You can see that initialized empty git repository in the file folder. Now you can see that in my view, then in the show, the hidden folders are enabled. That's why I can see that the .git folder, which is hidden, is added to this folder. Now if I just go there and then clear with the CLS, now git add, which will just add the files which are present there. Git add space dot. Now git status, you can see that these files are coming on. Now we are going to just commit this one. Like you can see that in my repository here, if I go to the GitHub and then in the Jarvis, you can see that the new super upgrade of Jarvis for music, new super upgrade of Jarvis, these things are coming on. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go to this one and then here and then 77 repositories and then the YouTube git learn. It is coming on. Now what you need to do, you need to just follow these codes. Okay, so this is a message which will just show. Now if I just go there and in Windows terminal, then if I type git commit -m, then the message here that created main.cpp. Now this is here, and you need to add this in your branch. So what you need to do, you just copy the last 3 lines of this or create a new repository in the command line section. Now I'm going to just go to my terminal and then paste this with the right click, then again enter. Just wait, the magic will happen. Okay, the magic happened. Let me just go there in there, and then when I refresh the page, you can see the main.cpp came and the cpp languages is there. It just defined. Now you can add readme, whatever you like. So this is how you can create a GitHub repository. You can also make means how to push your GitHub codes with the help of the command, and I've also shown you that how to download the Git. If I just open my control panel here, okay, and then in my control panel, if I go to the programs, then you can see that the Git has came. And guys, the Python is going on, and you need to do all your Python codes, all your Python projects. Then you need to post it in the GitHub. So this is how you can post it in the GitHub and not follow the files. I just created the folder because I have to post the one file. Instead of doing the git.add then many other things, you just make a folder, then place the file, copy paste it. And to make the folder like in the here, if I just go to my AI sections, okay, in the AI folder, and I have to just give all the folders in my GitHub. So what you will do, you will just open the Windows terminal here and then push all the Git codes, means all Git commands, and then it will just push all the folders in the GitHub. This is how you can put all your Git codes. So today for it, and I will see you next time.
Emine hazırsan